Data is defined as facts or statistics stored or transmitted. For example, online order numbers reflect data about purchases. Processed data transforms into information. Structure and meaning are crucial to this transition, allowing better understanding. A database is an organized collection of data designed for easy access and management. Everyday examples include address books or inventory lists. There are two main types of databases: SQL, relational databases that use structured data, and NoSQL databases designed for flexibility and scalability. A database management system, or DBMS, is software for managing databases. Popular examples include PostgreSQL. MySQL is a widely used relational database management system, known for its robustness and used in various applications from web development to data warehousing. SQL, or structured query language, is the standard language for interacting with databases, allowing users to perform various operations. To use SQL, first log into the DBMS, write SQL statements, execute them, and retrieve results for analysis. SQL is essential across various industries, enabling efficient data handling and analysis, crucial for informed decision-making.